morning, friends. This morning I'm up early. I have my grandson with me today, and I am going to harvest some Kajari melons. Kajari melons are about 2 pounds, and they're from India, and they have a light pale green flesh to it. They're very sweet, and it is one of my favorite melons to grow. I've had mixed feelings about Kajari melons because sometimes they'll grow and they'll be very prolific, and then there was one year where I couldn't get any Kajari melons to grow. So this year has been fairly moderate. I've gotten maybe I've gotten maybe 5 or 6 melons so far this season. So we're gonna pull the ripe ones and go and taste them, and I'll show you what they look like on the inside. It's a ripe Kajari melon. It fell yesterday, so we're gonna go ahead and take it with us. And we have another ripe one here. We're gonna pick that one as well. Well, we picked our melons, so we're gonna head inside, cut them open so you can see what the inside of the Kajari melon looks like, and then I'll do a taste test and give you my honest opinion on what I think they taste like. Okay. So I have a spoon, which makes it so much easier to get the seeds out. And I am going to save the seeds. So I'm going to put that to the side. It's sweet. It's really sweet, or at least mine are sweet. It's sweet, but it's kind of mild sweet. And the texture is it's not crunchy, but it tastes just like any other melon. It's not crunchy, but it's the same texture as honeydew. And I would say the taste is similar to honeydew. I do like this better than honeydew, simply because it has a different, like different notes, different levels of notes, and so I do like this one better because it has those slight musky notes. So I like that better than honeydew. So I will continue to grow Kajari melon, and maybe you'll give it a try in your garden as well. I will continue to grow Kajari melon. I like it. Maybe you'll try it in your garden. And if you already grow it, or if you plan on, well, somebody wanted out of his swing today. He has a love-hate thing going on with that swing. I tried to get him acclimated to it by putting him in the swing a few times a day. And he may last 10 minutes, 15 max in the swing, and then he will let you know that he has had enough. So he's a little tuckered today. But back to Kajari melon. Hey, sugar. Would I grow it again? Absolutely. I love the way it smells. I love that it's a compact plant, so I can grow it in a limited amount of space. I love the flavor of it, and I think that it's an easy plant to grow. And I think it is one of the fruits that you could use for kids who may be picky eaters because it's not overly sweet. So for that reason, I will continue to grow Kajari melon. Now, if you plan to grow Kajari melon or you've grown it in the past, let me know below in the comments. Until next time, friends, have a blessed day.